जिके जनरल नलेजको कुरा हामी गरौँ भन्दा पनि हामी साइन्स पढौँ अब all living things made water to live सम्पूर्ण प्राणी जीव जन्तुलाई के चाहियो पानी चाहियो बाँच्नको लागि पानी चाहियो पानी बिना जीव जन्तु बाँच्न सकेन भन्ने माने कुरो आयो यो कुरो सही हो पानी बिना जीव जन्तु बाँच्न सक्दैन कसरी सक्छ त पानी बिना जीव जन्तु बाँच्नै सक्दैन अब यो कुरो महत्त्वपूर्ण छ के छ भन्दाखेरि माने कुरो भइरहेछ all living things need water to live without water all the animals and human beings become weak and die without water water is the essential part of human life because water is a vital component that is essential for the survival and sustenance of human as well as all the life on the earth. Water is a precious thing. Water, which is made from the two atoms of hydrogen fused with one atom of oxygen, its molecular formula is H2O, which means it has two hydrogen atoms and one oxygen atom. Let's talk about the deuterium. S3O means if the hydrogen is number increases by 1, that is S3O, it becomes deuterium. That's the isotope of water. Isotopes are the element of the same atomic number but different mass number, and it is the isotopes of water are mostly used in the nuclear fission reactor. It is a very precious resources. The extraction of isotope of the hydrogen require a lot of technical skill and sophisticated instrument which can only be obtained in this sophisticated lab, not on an ordinary lab, because it is very dangerous as well as risky process. Okay, water is a precious thing. Water is a precious thing because oxygen, which is the vital part of our life, is inside water. Nitrogen, which is the lighter gas, highly flammable gas, is used in the preparation process of water. In lab, the preparation process of water is a bit complicated because there will be huge explosion during the manufacturing process of water because the two molecule reaction means the generate heat, which means it is a exothermic reaction means the chemical reaction generate heat means it is very destructive if not handled in proper care. We must use it carefully and keep it clean. We are talking about ordinary water, not the isotopes of water, not deuterium, not tritium, no anything. We are just talking about H2O, normal water. We should use it carefully because water is a precious resource. Let's talk about water. It is believed that some extraterrestrial object just strike on Earth and brings water here. Let's say water is continuously escaping from Earth, means the ionosphere. Water is going outside the Earth every day, every second. Water is just escaping the earth means we are losing water. We are not, the earth is losing the water. We are just one species in the earth. How do the cycle of water is balanced? The cycle of water is balanced only due to the volcanic eruption. Means the inner core of the earth has water in it. During the process of volcanic eruption, water gets liberated out, and this replaces the water which is actually lost in the ionosphere outer space. This is the thing to be considered because volcano also has advantage because certain cycles such as phosphorus, nitrogen cycle especially relies on the volcanic eruption for the proper functioning because life is on the earth is complicated and is interrelated with each other. If anything get destroyed, it will ultimately affect every one or every organism thriving in the earth. Dirty water can be an enemy. We are talking about ordinary water, and the dirty water can be enemy. What do you mean by dirty water? Dirty water means water filled with the pathogens or the disease causing organism or the some toxin in water means certain level of mercury is, let's say, mercury in water or a lead in water or other harmful chemical such as fluoride. There is abundant fluoride in the water of the Torah region. This is also a toxic substance we are exposing every day. Ah, we might not have enough water in some place. We might have some enough water in some place as well as we might not have because there is a water movement inside the soil. Yes, water also moves, and the movement there is aquifer means the structure of the stone beneath it usually decides whether water will stay there or water will not because the shape of the stone underneath. It is vital to consider this also. If it is not safe, it means we can be worst enemy because water, if we drink the polluted or some chemical ridden or some pathogen ridden water, then we can might get sick. Not all of us will get sick because some of us have immunity against various pathogens, whereas some might not have immunity against single pathogen. The total biochemistry of every individual differ, which is basically due to gene or lifestyle changes, or it can be affected by so many factors. Some not be might not have control. Okay, dirty water has germs and makes us ill. Means germs means such as a disease-causing organism is known as germs. What do you mean by germs? Suppose the water we drink has the Salmonella typhi. Let's say it's Salmonella genus, bacteria of the Salmonella genus. And the typhi means a peculiar species. Now there is a new strain of typhoid I have noticed. And if you drink water with the Salmonella, in it, then there is a chance. It depends on the immunity of human. He might get typhoid. Typhoid is just a infection in the small intestine, and it, if not treated with the specific antibiotic within the short period of time, then it can be life-threatening. Typhoid is not an ordinary disease. It needs to be treated with antibiotic as soon as possible. There are a lot of tests which can detect typhoid, and nowadays people just use antibiotic without testing. This is not good for human body because antibiotic kills live cell. It might not be the bacterial cell which is causing the series of diseases ultimately lead to the uncontrolled growth of cell, which is technically called the cancer. Okay,